it's Francesca, and for today's video, we're going to learn a step-by-step tutorial of Cherry on Top, having the first and the second chorus. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this dance tutorial is already mirrored, meaning ito yung right ninyo and ito yung left ninyo. So basically, susundan nyo lang ako. Okay? Step 1, this is what we will do. Run through muna. 5, 6, 7, 8. Birthday on repeat, yeah. If you want it, sweet cha. Okay, so ang mangyayari, what you will do is have your hand open and then close, double, close, and then open. Okay, mas mabagal. 1, 2, double, 1, 2. Pag nandito na tayo, your hand, papaypay siya sa harap, sasabay yung head ninyo. 3, 4. Okay, let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, ang galing naman. Okay, after nun, your hand should be like this. Pagdidikit yung middle finger ninyo and yung thumb ninyo. Yan, both hand. Pag meron na kayong ganito, tuturo siya sa baba. And then, iikot siya inwards, papunta dito sa shoulder level. Okay? Pag nandito na siya, magdodraw kayo ng line. And then you flick. Okay? Let's start with the birthday on repeat. 5, 6, 7, 8. Birthday on repeat. Birthday on repeat. Yeah. If you want it sweet, cha. Okay, pag nandun na tayo, yung left hand niyo mapupunta siya dito sa waist niyo sa right. And then your right hand, iikot siya overhead pa ganon. And then this one, mapupunta siya dito sa chest. Yung left ninyo, and then chest ulit yung right ninyo. Okay? Mas mabagal pa. Doon tayo sa pag-ganon. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sa 8, kapag yung right hand niyo nandito na siya, ipop nyo siya ng paharap. Chuk! Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, pag nag-pop na to, ang next is, ang head ninyo, magta-turn siya pa right. Itong right hand ninyo, pupunta siya dito, turo, turo. Okay, let's do that. 1 and 2. Okay, and then you smile, and then down. Okay. Okay, so that's step 1. Ngayon na-follow nyo na yun, gawin natin siya ng mas mabagal from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Birthday on repeat. Birthday on repeat. Yeah. If you want it sweet, sugar on lock. Chop. Turo, turo, smile. Down. Okay. Now, leading to the step number 2. Step number 2, di ba nagganito na tayo? Iikot nyo lang yung arms ninyo counterclockwise papunta sa left. While yung legs nyo naman, nag-step-step siyang ganyan. Okay, let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Pag dun sa 3, itong right ninyo, magsasampal na siya sa right. Okay? Pag nagsampal na siya sa right, yung left nyo naman, sasampal din siya sa left. And then you scoop, and then think. Okay. Let's do that first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Sampal, sampal, scoop, think. Okay. Kapag nag-think na tayo, itong kamay ninyo, iikot siya pa inwards. Okay? Para gumanon siya. And then magic. You do magic while yung head ninyo is ganon. Okay? Let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, sampal, sampal, scoop, think, inwards, magic. Okay? Pag nag-magic na tayo, ganun. Nag-magic, V, etong paa na to, yung right leg ninyo, up siya, and then this one, bagwa siya ng circle. Cherry on top, yung ganitong kamay, top, the cherry, and then you pull cherry on overhead top. Okay. So, yun yung first chorus. Gawin natin siya ng mas mabagal from the top. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Birthday on repeat. Birthday on repeat. Yeah, if you want it sweet, sugar on the pop. If you want it spice, smile. 1, 2, 3. Sample, down. Think in words, magic V. And then 1. And then up. Pull. Ikot. Okay, so that's the first chorus. Gawin natin siya ng mas mabilis. Let's do this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat. Yeah, if you want sweet, if you want spice. Cherry on top, cherry on top. Okay, so that's the first chorus. Gawin natin siya with music naman. Okay, now moving on with the second chorus naman. Diba yung last step natin kanina is cherry on top. Okay, after ng dito, etong kamay ninyo, dito siya, and then, yung butt ninyo outwards lang doon, 2 beses. And then this one, flick, 2 beses din. Okay, let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, cherry on top, tararan. Okay, pag dito, tararan, taran. Pag nag-open na yung left ninyo, papalikod siya, and then yung right ninyo, dito naman, para makapag-turn nyo. Okay, let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cherry on top. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Pag nandito na tayo, nakalikod na kayo, yung kamay ninyo, dito siya sa bandang taas ng bambang ninyo. And then, naka-open siya. And then, ikot nyo lang ng ganyan. Okay? Ikot. And then, pag naka-ikot na kayo, itong right ninyong kamay, dito siya sa left ninyong chest. And then, face the camera. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Ikot. Chest, face the camera. And then, ipop-up na natin yung bam-bam ng twice. 10, 10. Okay? Let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ikot. Face the camera. 1, 2. And then, ganun. Yung next step natin, pag nakaganon na tayo, 1, 2. Ito, haharap nyo yung left ninyong kamay sa face ninyo, and then you flick. Okay, let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cherry on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, ang galing naman. Now, let's do the next step. Kapag nakaganon na kayo, yung right ninyo, magsa-start siya sa likod, and yung left ninyo, magsa-start siya sa harap dito sa forehead ninyo. And then, iikot siya ng paganon. Okay, let's do that. Paganon. Okay, and then, open, pababa. Okay, let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and flick, ikot, and then open, down. Okay. Okay, so kapag ginanon na natin, ang next step would be bunny, and then cake, para kayo may hawak na cake using your left. And then you slap it, paikot, and then you kembot, pa right, kembot 2 beses, kembot, overhead, down, and then, kamukha lang sa first chorus, cherry on top, cherry on top. Okay, so, let's do that from the sticky, 5, 6, 7, 8, sticky, sweet, chop, chop, bunny, cake, slap, and then, kembot, 1, 2, ikot, chop, and then cherry on top. Cherry on top. Okay, now let's do the second chorus from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cherry on top, honey, you're a bee, but you bug around me. Sticky, sweet, ta 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 ta. know what you got. I'm the cherry on top. Cherry on top. Okay, ang galing naman. Now let's do that with some music. Okay, ngayong alam mo na yung first and second chorus. Now let us combine them, pero medyo mas mabagal pa rin, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat, yeah. Turn it on, like chat. Turo, smile down. 1, 2, 3. Sampal, sampal down. Isip, and then magic back. Cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a big around me. Chat, sticky, sticky, sweet chat. Baby, I'm the cake, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Okay, I'm so proud of you na reach mo yung end nitong tutorial. Now let's do that ng mas mabilis with music. It's a birthday on repeat, birthday